When talent meets control, it shows. 10 miniature paint jobs from February that absolutely delivered. This is Reddit Realms. First up, user DoyoBird20. The whole squad was strong, but this marine stands out. The non-metallic metal and that volumetric lighting feel completely pro level. Next up, user Dr. Toast 3141. The mix of textures and color here are wild. It's grimdark, but still colorful, and the volume control keeps it completely dialed in. You don't see yellow handled like this very often. User 3PickPL nailed it. The stippling, texture building, and weathering control here are next level. This one from user Evil LV is all about material control. The freehand on the tunic is incredibly precise and the leatherwork feels authentic. Every texture reads exactly the way it should. Back again is Brushmaster66. That high contrast brush forward style is instantly recognizable. It reads smooth from afar, but the close-up control is on another level. User ZacAttacksMinis absolutely nailed the object source lighting here. That green glow feels completely believable. The way it wraps across the fabric and smoke just sells the whole piece. This piece from user Stormboltt is a study in texture. The fur, leather, and skin all have layered depth. Every material feels deliberate and completely dialed in. Zeranamid Queen really understood the color story here. The blue has beautiful value and tonality. The orange glow in the eyes adds just enough contrast to make it magnetic. This chibi blood angel from user Lennon Midnight is all about edge control. The extreme highlighting keeps all that red armor sharp. It reads clean instead of collapsing into one solid blob. Closing out February is user Whytepaynts. The layering in the skin tones shows serious color control. Between the saturation shifts and the facial detailing, the focal point is perfectly handled. As always, big respect to everyone featured this month. The bar just seems to keep getting higher. I'm excited to see what shows up next month. That's it for February. See you next month.